Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about what deadlock is, why it occurs and how to prevent it. So let's start the video. So what is deadlock? Deadlock is a situation where two or more transactions are waiting for each other to release resources, but none can proceed. It means to say that a deadlock occurs when multiple transactions hold some resources and wait for others, but none can proceed. Think of it as two people blocking a narrow door but both refusing to move aside. Until one gives up, they stay stuck. To understand better, let's see an example of that. Let's suppose a transaction 1 locks resource A and needs resource B. Meanwhile, transaction 2 locks resource B and need resource A. Since both transactions are waiting for each other to release resource, neither can proceed. This creates a deadlock. Now, for a deadlock to happen, four conditions must exist. First, a resource can only be used by one transaction at a time. Second, a transaction keeps holding some resource while waiting for more. Third, resources cannot be forcibly taken away. And finally, a circular chain of transactions is formed, each waiting for next. If all these conditions exist together, a deadlock is inevitable. To avoid deadlocks, we can use some prevention techniques. One approach is wait die, where older transactions wait and younger ones are restarted. Another is wound wait, where older transactions make younger one restart. Another simpler method is the timeout approach, where a transaction waiting too long is simply aborted. Now, if deadlock occurs, we can detect them using wait for graphs, which track transactions waiting for resources. To recover, we can either abort some transactions, roll back partially completed transactions, or preempt resources to resolve the deadlock. Another approach is deadlock avoidance, where we can carefully allocate resources to prevent deadlocks. One method is the banker's algorithm, which checks if a transaction's request is safe before granting resources. Another method is using wait for graphs to ensure no circular wait occurs. To conclude, deadlocks happen when transactions are stuck waiting for resources. We explored the four conditions that cause deadlocks and discussed how to prevent, detect, and avoid them. By applying these techniques, database ensures smooth operations. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.